Hi. Teka.
Hi. Here.
So, nakuha na namin yung mga boarding passes namin and pila na kami for immigration pero mag-comfort room muna kami. Nakaligtas pala tayo sa immigration and nakapasa. So, ayun, thankful ako kasi hindi ako na-upload kasi sayang naman yung mga outfits and plans namin. Marami pa akong gusto gawin sa Taiwan. So, I'm just waiting for my mom and my kuya. Piece of advice, check nyo muna lahat ng mga papers nyo. Especially pag student kayo, try to bring student ID or yung proof na student kayo para iwas upload. At the same time, don't forget to pay your travel tax and ayusin nyo na yung e-travel nyo bago kayo magpunta ng immigration. Almost an hour kaming delay kasi ang lakas ng ulan tapos parang wala yatang available na ganito yung ramp, yung babaan. So, na kami sa labas and we're waiting for our transport service and at the same time, mag-withdraw pa kami sa ATM. Ito na mag-withdraw si Kuya sa Bank of Taiwan kasi from what we know, mas mababa yung charge, especially pag gagamit ka ng GoTyme card. So, andito na yung airport transfer namin. And actually, Pinoy din yung driver. Inaayos na Kuya yung baggage. Unfortunately, super lakas ng ulan dito. Like, grabe. Parang may bagyo nga ata. So, hindi pa siya kung matutuloy yung mga plans namin today. Hopefully na lang, tumila siya. Although may dala naman kami mga tayo. Bye! See you later! Ayun, bawal palang mag-early check-in. So, iniwan na lang namin yung baggage namin and then maghahanap kami ngayon ng kakainan. And naulan pa din, so mapayong kaming lahat. We're currently looking for a boba shop. It's Sing Fu Tang Boba Milk Tea. Kinda lost, but we hope to see it. And look, nandito na yung Pop Mart. We bought milk tea here. This is the famous milk tea in TikTok from what I know. It's Sing Fu Tang Boba Milk Tea. Unfortunately, nagkahiwalay kami ni mama and kuya kasi late sila nakasakay din sa train and ako lang yung mag-isa. And papunta kami ngayon sa Taipei 101. So, nakabahan ako kasi it's my first time na mag-train mag-isa sa ibang bansa pa. Yan, pababa na sila ng train. kahapon, yung pagdating namin ng train, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Like, as in, umaga hanggang hapon, umaga hanggang gabi, wala na ulan. Like, ang hirap enjoyin. Kasi nagpunta kami sa Taipei 101, naulan pa din. So, hindi na kami umakyat ng observatory kasi sayang lang. Kasi sobrang foggy. To the point na wala na kami makikita mga buildings and all. So, hopefully makabawi kami ngayong araw. And dito na kami. And nakabili na kami ng ticket. So good. And the line is quite long. Oh. Going to Taipei 101 and Ichiran. Bye!
Ang ganda.
So now, we're already here. And sobrang usok niya here. Kasi dahil ba sa ulan to or sadya. So, ganito yung view nga.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely up.
So, pabalik na po kami sa car kasi I think 2 PM lang po. And then after that, may pupuntahan na ulit kaming bagong tourist spot. Unfortunately, the famous Jeju Park here in Taiwan is currently closed because of the typhoon, but this area is open for public for free entry. Fortunately, we can't visit, the famous spots, which is there and that bridge. But I think it's still worth it to go here, especially for a free entrance. So, bye!
Yun, kaliwa. Yun, Cebu Pacific. Ito, wait lang.